Gumroad versus Patreon. Which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Gumroad and Patreon. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Gumroad. Gumroad provides a straightforward platform for creators to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and music. It offers a user friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to set up and start selling. Charges transaction fees, allowing creators to keep more of their profits compared to platforms with monthly subscription costs. It supports various digital products, making it versatile for creators across different industries. Offers analytics tools that help creators track their sales and audience engagement, providing insights to improve performance. It charges higher transaction fees, which may reduce overall earnings, especially for creators with higher sales volumes. Offers fewer customization options for storefronts, which could limit branding opportunities for some users. It also lacks extensive integration options with third party tools, which might be limiting for creators looking for advanced features. Now, let's come towards Patreon. Patreon focuses on helping creators build a recurring revenue stream through membership subscriptions, offering reliable income. It provides features like exclusive content, direct communication, and community building options that enhance interaction with supporters. Allows creators to set different membership levels, offering various perks and benefits to their patrons. It supports custom branding for creator pages, giving more control over the look and feel of the profile. It also offers flexible payout options, including monthly or per creation payments, allowing creators to choose how they earn. It takes a percentage of earnings, and combined with payment processing fees, creators may see a notable reduction in revenue. To keep supporters happy, creators may feel the need to constantly produce new content or exclusive materials, which could be time consuming. With many creators on Patreon, it can be harder to stand out, especially for those in competitive industries. Choosing between Gumroad and Patreon depends on your specific needs. Gumroad is ideal for creators focused on selling digital products with no recurring fees, while Patreon is perfect for those who want to build a recurring revenue stream through memberships and community engagement. Consider how you want to monetize and engage with your audience to decide which platform suits you best. That's all for the video.